How to log in Sephora Credit Card Account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log in to Sephora Credit Card Account online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.community.net/Sephora. You will be led to this type of interface. You can select on the type of the card you want to log in. I will tap on Sephora Credit Card. You will now see the Sign In button. Tap on that and now go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your username and your password. Once you are done entering your login credentials, tap on the Sign In button. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your username, then you can always go ahead and tap on the Forgot Username or Password option and then follow the on-screen prompts and recover your username or your password. Also, if you are new here, then you can tap on the Register Now link and register yourself to Sephora Credit Card. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.